Difference between bronchitis and whooping cough. The key difference between bronchitis and whooping cough is that bronchitis is the inflammation of the large and medium-sized airways bronchi of the lungs, usually caused by respiratory viruses and rarely by bacteria, whereas whooping cough pertussis is a respiratory disease caused by the bacteria Bordetella pertussis. It is a highly contagious and can be prevented by vaccination. Bronchitis can be a part of the disease manifestations of whooping cough.